Welcome to Metropolitan Cathedral Park in Târgoviște, a place full of history. In this video, I'll take you through its iconic spots, each linked to the city's rich past. We begin at the entrance of Metropolitan Cathedral Park, following the main alley, which is flanked by mature trees, offering a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Metropolitan Cathedral Park has been a central part of Targoviște's history since its creation in the 14th century. Initially, it was designed as a place for rest and spiritual reflection, highlighting the city's importance as the capital of Wallachia during that time. The park is closely tied to the religious life of the region, having been frequented by the Archbishop of Wallachia. In the medieval period, this park was not just a public space, but also an important religious site where key events took place, including ceremonies and gatherings of the local clergy. The park's role as a spiritual centre is reflected in the many churches and religious buildings that surround it, with the Metropolitan Cathedral standing as the most significant landmark. Over the years, the park has been redesigned several times, with the addition of new paths, benches, and greenery, but it has always maintained its historical essence. The layout of the park reflects a blend of both religious and cultural significance, offering visitors a glimpse into Targoviște's role in medieval Romania. As you walk along the park's paths, you are walking in the footsteps of historical figures such as princes, bishops, and scholars who once passed through these grounds. Metropolitan Cathedral Park was, and still is, a gathering place for both locals and visitors, providing a tranquil environment where the rich history of Targoviște is ever present. The serene atmosphere, combined with its historical weight, makes the park a unique space where past and present seamlessly coexist. The Trade Union House, built between 1935 and 1937, symbolises the social and political changes in interwar Romania. It became a central hub for workers' organisations during the industrialisation period and, over the years, has witnessed numerous significant events, remaining an important landmark in Targoviște. In the 19th and 20th centuries, the park became a symbol of Targoviște's cultural revival, hosting important civic events. Today, it offers a peaceful blend of nature and history, featuring fountains, statues, and quiet spots for reflection. The park remains an essential part of Targoviște's identity, continuing to serve as a sanctuary for both locals and tourists seeking tranquility. In front of the Metropolitan Cathedral, the ruins of the old cathedral stand as a silent witness to Targoviște's past glory. Built in the 14th century, during the reign of Wallachian rulers like Vlad the Impaler, the cathedral was the heart of religious life in the region. It was the seat of the Archbishop of Wallachia and served as a centre for both political and spiritual activities, including the crowning of rulers. The cathedral was heavily damaged during the Ottoman invasions and earthquakes over the centuries, with most of its original structure lost. Today, the ruins, which include remnants of walls, columns, and arches, offer a glimpse into the architectural splendour of the time. The new Metropolitan Cathedral, constructed in the 17th century, stands next to these ruins, maintaining the legacy of the original structure and continuing to serve as the spiritual center of Targoviste. Hope you enjoyed the journey. Hit the subscribe button for more hidden gems.